Okay. Hello, good evening, everyone.
Opening,
Halo,
sis.
Halo, good evening.
Okay, how are you today?
Yes,
fine.
good.
Good.
All right. Wow, Bro Albert, new haircut, rambut baru.
Air.
Yeah, new haircut. All right. It's like a different people ya, kayak orang yang berbeda cowok tuh kalau ganti rambut.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's like a different people, kayak orang yang beda orang, ganti orang. Yeah. Welcome back again to the class, guys. Selamat datang kembali. Thank you so much for being on time. For today, buat hari ini, we will talk about another topic, which is about the weather and season. This will be our topic for today. What is the meaning of weather and season? Apa tuh artinya weather season? Weather season. Pernah dengar?
Weather itu musim ya?
Musim. Musim itu yang ini. Yang season.
Weather apa
Weather.
cuaca?
Cuaca. That's right. So we will talk about cuaca dan musim hari ini. Let's take a look on the vocabulary before we start. Ini ada vocabulary-nya dulu. Please read by Bro Indra.
Oke. Sunny, cerah. Cloudy, berawan. Rainy, hujan. Windy, berangin. Stormy, badai. Cold, dingin. Freezing, membeku. Hot, panas. Foggy, berkabut. Warm, hangat. Rainbow, pelangi. Drizzle, gerimis. Dry season, musim kemarau. Rainy season, musim hujan. Summer, musim panas. Spring, musim semi. Autumn, musim gugur.
Good, thank you Bro Indra.
Ya kan?
Now Bro Ilhan.
Oke. Sunny, cerah. Cloudy, berawan. Rainy, hujan. Windy, berangin. Stormy, badai. Cold, dingin. Freezing, membeku. Hot, panas. Foggy, berkabut. Warm, hangat. Rainbow, pelangi. Drizzle, gerimis. Dry season, musim kemarau. Rainy season, musim hujan. Summer, musim panas. Spring, musim semi. Autumn, musim gugur.
Okay, good. Thank you Bro Ilhan.
You're
Now
welcome.
Bro Fenly, boleh.
Sunny, cerah. Cloudy, berawan. Rainy, hujan. Windy, berangin. Stormy, badai. Cold, dingin. Freezing, membeku. Hot, panas. Foggy, berkabut. Warm, hangat. Rainbow, pelangi. Drizzle, gerimis. Dry season, musim kemarau. Rainy season, musim hujan. Summer, musim panas. Spring, musim semi. Autumn atau fall season, musim gugur.
Okay, thank you Bro Fenly. Bro Bagus, please.
Yes. Sunny means cerah. Cloudy means berawan. Rainy means hujan. Windy means berangin. Stormy means badai. Cold means dingin. Freezing means membeku. Hot means panas. Foggy means berkabut. Warm means hangat. Rainbow means pelangi. Drizzle means gerimis. Dry season means musim kemarau. Rainy season means musim hujan. Summer means season. Rainy, sorry?
Yang ini dibacanya season.
Season.
Yeah.
Rainy season means musim hujan. Summer means musim panas. Spring means musim dingin. Autumn
Spring,
or
musim
fall.
semi.
Spring musim semi. Autumn or fall season means musim gugur.
Okay. Thank you, Bro Bagus.
You're welcome, sis.
Bro Albert?
Ya. Sunny cerah, cloudy berawan, rainy hujan, windy berangin, stormy badai, cold dingin, freezing membeku, hot panas, foggy berkabut, warm hangat, rainbow pelangi, drizzle gerimis, dry season musim kemarau, rain season musim hujan, summer musim panas, spring musim semi, autumn atau fall season musim gugur.
Okay, good. Thank you, Bro Albert. Bro Rizal, the last one.
Oke. Sunny cerah, cloudy berawan, rainy hujan, windy berangin, stormy badai, cold dingin, freezing membeku, hot panas, foggy berkabut, warm hangat, rainbow pelangi, drizzle gerimis, dry season
Drizzle.
drizzle
Drizzle, yeah.
drizzle gerimis, dry season musim kemarau, rainy season musim hujan, summer musim panas, spring musim semi, autumn or fall season musim gugur.
Okay, good. Thank you, Bro Rizal. Oke, ini kurang satu ya. Harusnya ada musim dingin. Itu namanya winter.
Winter.
Musim dingin termasuk kalau bersalju itu kita sebutnya winter juga. And then hati-hati ini pengucapannya emang agak mirip ya sama season sama session. Kalau yang ini session artinya sesi. Apa ya bahasa Indonesianya? Sesi ya. Satu sesi, dua sesi gitu, sesi meeting kayak gitu. Nah, kalau ini dibacanya season. Yang ini session, yang ini season. Alright. And then yang ini kita bacanya autumn. Autumn.
Autumn.
Ya, autumn. Or fall season. Kita boleh nyebut autumn, boleh fall season juga boleh. Itu sama aja artinya musim gugur. Okay, let's move to the question. Kita mulai pertanyaannya. The first is about general weather talk. The first for Bro Indra. Bro Indra, what's the weather like today in your area?
Yeah, today is sunny day in Bekasi.
Mhm.
Yeah, for from morning to afternoon, it's that's sunny with apa ya? Very clear sky.
Okay.
Yeah,
From
that's the weather
morning.
today in Bekasi.
So overall it's sunny ya, bro ya?
Yeah.
I see. Right. Is there any, what is it? When was the last time in Bekasi is rainy?
Maybe last week Bekasi is rainy. Yeah, last week.
Yeah.
Baru
Actually,
saja, Bro.
Baru
Baru saja.
saja. Recently.
Oh ya, baru saja recently in Cikarang.
Oh ya, recently. Itu baru aja. Baru aja. Atau bisa juga bilang just now. Juga bisa aja, baru aja. Baru hujan in Cikarang. Just...
Ya.
I see. Okay. Actually, lately, bro and sis, in Kediri, in Pare, it's colder than usual. Jadi kayak lebih dingin daripada biasanya. Is it the same way in Bekasi? Or still hot? Atau panas aja Bekasi?
It's getting hotter and hotter, Miss.
It's getting harder and harder. All right. I've ever heard about the news that it's due to the muson, angin muson from Australia, if I'm not mistaken. So here in Pare and around East Java, it's colder than it's supposed to be. All right. Thank you, Bro Indra.
Welcome, sis.
Next is for Bro Ilhan. Bro Ilhan, do you prefer sunny days or rainy days, and why?
Okay. I prefer rainy days because when the sunny days comes, I am too easy to sweating. Miss
Okay, so you prefer rainy days?
rainy. Yes,
Okay, so
because
yes?
when the rainy days comes, it
Mhm.
feels more cold and it's comfort me.
I see. Don't you think that if it's rainy season, it's hard to us to move from one place to another?
Yeah, actually yes, but I'm more comfortable with it because the cold is comforting me.
I see, I see. What is your favorite activity when it is rain?
Uh, maybe get a coffee and take my cigarettes and
Okay,
smoking.
and smoking. All right.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you, Bro Ilhan.
you're welcome.
Bro Fenley, what do you
Yes.
usually do when it's raining outside?
What do you usually? It's raining outside.
Hmm.
Uh, I usually ini dia kalau lagi keadaan hujan ya sis.
Yeah, that's right.
Apa yang harus dilakukan? Apa yang kamu lakukan pada saat?
Usually itu
Hmm, I-
artinya biasanya.
hmm, okay. I usually stay inside or apa? Tempat berteduh apa ya? Hmm, eh, tempat berteduh. I usually stay inside tempat berteduh. Drink tea or mm, mm, or I just listen to the sound of the rain.
Oh, okay. You enjoy the sound of the rain.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever played in the rain, Bro Fenley?
Mm, Plain.
Play in the rain kayak hujan-hujanan.
Kalau iya pernah apa ya Mas?
Yes, I have.
Bahasa Inggrisnya. Oh yes, I have. Yes, I have because I'm happy main hujan.
When was the last time you played in the rain?
Yeah, plain the rain.
When was the last time?
Last month.
Last month.
Yeah, last month.
Oh,
Last month.
okay. Okay, I see. So you feel happy at the moment.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, feel like a child ya, bro ya, kayak berasa jadi anak kecil lagi.
Yeah.
Iya. Okay, thank you, Bro Fenly. Next question. Bro Bagus, have you ever seen a snow? And how
This
did it
is,
feel?
have you ever seen no? Seen no?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen no? Have you ever seen no? Snow. Snow ini apa ya, sis?
Snow ini adalah salju.
Oh, salju.
Ya.
Oh, belum pernah merasakan salju, jadi have you ever seen no? Maybe I am apa ya? Belum pernah I am ever seen. Jadi kan apa ya? Bagaimana kamu ever seen no?
Ini kalau misal mau bilang belum pernah gitu, Bro Bagus bisa jawabnya gini. No, I haven't.
Oh, okay. Yes, no, I haven't. No, I haven't snow gitu ya.
Ya, no, I have. Bisa no,
No,
I
I
haven't
have.
doang. Ini udah artinya
Hmm.
enggak pernah gitu.
Hmm.
Atau kalau mau lebih panjangnya bisa gini. No, I have
I
never
have
seen
never seen.
snow gitu. Boleh pakai yang ini, boleh pakai. Oke.
No, I have never seen snow.
Oke. Do you want to see it maybe someday?
Do you? Do
Do
you?
you want to see snow? Want itu artinya ingin.
Ingin. Oh. Hmm. Maybe. Ya. I want. Maybe I want. Merasakan tuh apa ya?
Feel. Ini ada merasakan.
Feel. Oh ya. Maybe I want feel to see snow.
Okay, you want to feel the snow. Alright. In what country, bro? Di negara apa? You want to visit?
Maybe Tokyo.
Oh, Japan. Tokyo.
Yes.
I see. Okay. Hopefully someday, bro, you can go to Japan to see the snow. Yo, thank you, Bro Bagus.
You're welcome, sis.
Next is for Bro Albert. Bro Albert, what's your favorite kind of weather?
Yes. What's your favorite kind of weather? Banyak sih, sis.
The most favorite one.
My favorite kind of weather is cloudy.
Cloudy. Okay,
Yeah,
why
cloudy.
it's cloudy?
But cool. I
Cloudy.
like because it is not hot ya. It is not too hot or too cool. Biasa aja tuh apa ya?
Biasa aja.
Jadi it's not too is not too hot and or too cool.
I see. Okay, maybe we can say it warm. Hangat.
Hangat ya.
Iya,
Ya,
atau kalau misal yang agak lebih ini lagi bisa ini. Humid. Humid itu
humid.
artinya lembab.
Ya,
Okay, so it's cloudy.
cloudy. Yes.
What do you usually do in cloudy day? What do you like to do?
Sorry, sis.
What do you like to do in cloudy day?
You like cloudy? Do in cloudy day.
Yeah, what
What?
do you like to do in cloudy day?
What do you like to do?
Apa yang Bro Albert suka lakukan in cloudy day pas lagi cloudy gitu, in your favorite weather?
Apa ya? Biasanya inside in apa? Inside in my house ya. Inside in my house. Sorry. I usually stay indoors in my house. Just make coffee or tea. Drink coffee or tea.
Okay, so enjoying the weather.
Mm.
Stay at home.
Yes, stay at home.
Okay, alright, nice. Next question for Bro Rizal.
Okay.
Bro Rizal, is the weather in your hometown different from other cities?
Different from other city.
In your hometown.
In my hometown, I think different.
Yeah, what is the difference?
Currently, in my hometown, weather is a little bit rainy today in evening,
Okay.
and I think in Ilhan City in Bogor, you had rainy this
Yeah,
evening.
it's usually rainy at every afternoon.
Yeah, because Bogor is a rainy city.
Yeah, it's rainy almost every day, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's always humid. Okay, thank you so much, Bro Rizal.
You're welcome.
Ya, mumpung ingat nih, I want to present about adverb of frequency. Kadang mungkin ini tuh kalau misalnya kita mau bilang seberapa sering gitu. Ini ada presentase-presentasenya. Jadi kalau misal seberapa sering terus proensis itu ternyata selalu gitu. Misal setiap hari selalu presentasenya 100%, kita bisa pakai always. Kalau misal biasanya itu kan kayak kadang iya, kadang enggak, tapi keseringan iya gitu kan. Presentasenya 90%, kita pakainya usually. Artinya biasanya. Selain biasanya, kita juga bisa pakai frequently. Frequently ini artinya sama, sering, tapi seringnya 80% gitu, lebih atas dari often. Tapi kalau misal pertanyaan-pertanyaan, kadang sis Ana lebih suka pakai how often, seberapa sering gitu. Ini presentasinya 70%. Kalau misal kadang-kadang, ini kita bisa pakai sometimes. Kadang iya, kadang enggak, ini sometimes. Kalau misal presentasenya yang 30%, kita bisa pakai occasionally. 30-40% lah ya, occasionally. Occasionally ini apa ya? Jarang-jarang. Kayak di keadaan tertentu aja, occasionally. Gitu. Terus ada seldom, seldom ini jarang. Rarely ini juga jarang, tapi yang jarangnya tuh jarang banget. And yang terakhir ada never. Never ini kalau misal kita nggak pernah sama sekali. Ini presentase-presentasenya. Just for your information about probably for the next we will discuss about this thing. Nanti Francis bisa pakai variasi-variasi adverb yang ini. Adverb of frequency namanya kalau di grammar. So. Oke, kita lanjut ya. Ini question ada yang mau ditanyain dulu? Sudah aman ya? Oke, lanjut kalau gitu. Balik lagi ke Bro Indra. Bro Indra, what is the hottest place you've ever visited?
I think Karawang is hottest place I ever visited.
Oh, really? What is the temperature there?
I don't know exactly what the temperature, but it feels very hot. No cold air. Yeah. It feels like that.
Okay, it feels the sun burning our skin. Kayak membakar
Yeah.
kulit.
Yeah, maybe because it's the industrial area, no trees in there. Yeah, maybe it's feel hot for me.
Okay, all right. What is the difference between Bekasi? I think many people talk that Bekasi is the hottest place.
Yeah, Bekasi and Karawang is same hot, but Karawang still hottest for me.
Oh, I see. Okay, so it's still hotter than
Hotter.
Bekasi.
Yeah. Yep.
Hotter. Okay. Thank you, Bro Indra.
Welcome, sis.
I want to remind again about this one. I believe you already know about this. Kalau misal tambahan ER ini parenthesis di belakangnya, itu kita artinya adalah lebih. Contohnya tadi ada hotter. Ini artinya lebih panas. Nah, kalau misal yang belakangnya EST, itu artinya paling. Jadi kalau misal ada hottest, itu artinya paling panas. Ini namanya kalau di grammar ada namanya comparative usage. Jadi kita membandingkan antara satu dan yang lainnya. Kalau misal yang ini lebih panas daripada yang ini, nah kita pakainya ER, tambahan ER di belakangnya. Kalau misal yang ini paling panas kan berarti nggak ada perbandingannya ya, dia yang paling gitu, yang paling tinggi. Kita pakainya tambahan EST. Hottest, kalau misal mau bilang paling dingin, kita berarti coldest. Paling tinggi, tallest. Kayak gitu. Pokoknya yang belakangnya IST ini pasti dia artinya paling. Okay. Move to the next. Back to Bro Ilhan. Kita hapus dulu. Bro Ilhan, if you could travel somewhere just for the weather, where would you go?
Okay. I rather go to Russia.
Russia. Why Russia?
Yes. Because I very like cold place. This like I don't like the warm or hot. I like the cold place.
Okay, so far, what is the coldest place you have ever visited?
Coldest place, I think when I go to Dieng.
Okay. What is the temperature there?
I think it's 5 degrees.
Wow.
It's so comforting me.
Oh, it's so comforting you.
Yeah.
Is it easy for you to adapt in such cold temperature?
Yeah. my body is very easy to take the cold.
Okay, okay. Have you ever, have you ever visited some place that it's almost probably the temperature is minus?
Mm, no, I think Dieng is the coldest place I go. It's 5
Yeah,
degrees.
5 degrees.
But
I have,
hope some days I I hope some days I will experience the minus. Miss.
in Russia.
Yeah.
Okay, but there are plenty of places that you can feel minus degree. Why Russia?
Because I like the culture of Russia country. I think it's like not too modern, but it's still a classy country.
Okay, all right. Hopefully someday you can go there, yeah, Bro Ilhan. To
Yeah, hope to.
Russia. Okay, move again to Bro Fenley. Bro Fenley, how does weather affect your mood?
How does water affect your mood? Cuaca yang buat mood. Yang pengaruh suasana hati nih berarti.
Iya, that's right. How itu menanyakan bagaimana?
Water affect my mood a lot when it's sunny. I feel more energetic and
Wow.
happy. When it's raining, I usually feel sleepy or mager apa ya? Mager untuk keluar.
Lazy.
Lazy in out home or room.
Okay, lazy to go out.
Lazy to go out.
Ya, malas buat pergi. If it's raining, kalau lagi hujan. Okay, so it's really affect your mood.
Yes.
The weather. Ini dibacanya weather ya, Bro Fenley.
Weather.
Iya, kalau water itu jadinya gini. Water. Air, betul. Kalau yang ini weather.
Weather.
Weather, that's right. Ada lagi weather yang tulisannya kayak gini, guys. Ini beda lagi artinya. Weather. Biasanya dia pasangannya sama or. Weather bla 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 or bla 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 bla. Ini artinya entah ini atau ini gitu. Ini dibacanya agak mirip, yang ini weather, yang ini weather.
Oh, yang ini pakai H ya di depannya.
Iya, betul. Yang satunya mana hilang? Yang satunya pakai H, yang ini pakai EA, weather. Yang tadi weather. Nah, thank you Bro Fendi. Next for Bro Bagus.
Yes. Do you think climate change?
Do you think climate change is changing the weather patterns around you?
Do you think climate change berubah? Change is changing, berubah ini ya, cuaca gitu ya, maksudnya gitu ya?
Climate change itu perubahan iklim.
Perubahan iklim.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Hmm. Do you think claims change the weather around you? Perubahan apa? Misal contohnya perubahan iklim dari musim panas ke musim dingin gitu ya, atau sebaliknya gitu ya?
Iya, betul, betul.
Apa ya? I am the climate change. Apa yang do you think climate? Jadi ya, maksudnya ini kan saya apa yang akan saya lakukan gitu ya? Kalau misalnya ada perubahan cuaca gitu ya, sis.
Oh, oke. Ini tuh nanyain, do you think itu menurut Bro Bagus, climate change, perubahan iklim itu changing. Changing tuh merubah. The weather patterns. Weather patterns itu kayak pola cuaca. Kayak perubahan hujan panas, perubahan dari dingin ke panas gitu-gitu di sekitaran Bro Bagus. Itu pengaruh nggak sih menurut Bro
Oh,
Bagus? Gitu.
oke. Yang apa ya? Yang pasti sih I am perubahan cuaca tuh sangat berpengaruh tuh apa tuh bahasa Inggrisnya?
Affect, berpengaruh itu affect.
Affects. Maybe I am affects to changing the weather dari rain session to dari rain session ke musim panas tuh apa ya? Tadi tuh musim panas tuh summer ya.
Summer.
Jadi apa tadi? I am the effect sangat berpengaruh pada saat charging the weather dry session to summer. Jadi sangat berpengaruh sih pada saat perubahan dari cuaca dingin ke cuaca panas.
Oke, sangat
Musim
berpengaruh ya.
ya.
Oke, that's nice. Thank you, Bro Bagus.
You're welcome, sis.
Alright. Back to Bro Albert.
Yes, sis.
Oke, Bro Albert, back to question number 1. Kita ke question number 1 lagi, Bro Albert. Is the weather in your hometown different from other cities?
Ya. Is the weather is hometown different from other city? Ya, pasti berbeda ya. Yes. The weather is my hometown is a bit different from the other city ya, sis ya.
What is the difference?
Because my hometown is located near the mountain. Near the mountain.
And what is the differences?
Yeah, so is the temps to be cool ya, cool. To be cool.
Okay. So it tends to be cool than the
Yeah,
other,
especially in the morning.
especially in the morning. What is the average temperature in your hometown?
The temperature sometimes 10 degree.
10 degree.
Yes.
Oh, where is it, Bro Albert?
Bandung. City in Bandung, Cimahi.
Oh, I see. So it's very cold there. Around 10 degrees, the average temperature.
Sometimes. Nah,
Okay. And then what about in the afternoon?
in the afternoon, yeah,
So the same?
same the in the morning. Yeah.
Oh, it's very cold. Dingin banget ya.
But increase the temperature maybe just to 20 degree.
Oh, up to 20 degree sampai 20. It's
Hmm.
the hottest. Itu yang paling panas.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Tadi I noticed that you want to say that, oh pasti gitu ya, pasti beda. You can say this one. Kalau mau bilang, oh ya pasti, kita bilang of course. Ini yang paling simple. Or you can
Yes,
also
of
say
course.
this one, absolutely.
Absolutely. Okay.
Ya, apakah opsi lainnya bisa bilang gini, definitely. Of course,
Sorry,
absolutely,
definitely.
definitely. Itu artinya
Oh.
sama, tentu saja.
Okay.
Atau ada lagi satu lagi, karena lupa. Nanti deh kalau ingat. Ada satu lagi. Nggak lupa, guys. Oh, ini. Exactly.
Oh, exactly.
Iya. Exactly. Absolutely. Definitely. Jadi, selain of course, ini kan sering banget ya kita bilang ini of course. Nah, kita bisa pakai variasi yang lain. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Bro Albert. The next for Bro Rizal. Bro Rizal, second question, bro. What's the hottest place you've ever visited?
The hottest place, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think the hottest place that I already visit is in the beach. In
The
the
beach.
beach in Jogja, I think.
Oh,
I
okay.
go in afternoon. It's very hot and burning my skin.
It's burning your skin. What is the temperature there? You notice it?
I'm not sure, but I think around 30 35 I think, yeah. 30
Wow.
35, yeah. Because very burning my skin into black until now.
It cannot reverse. Nggak bisa balik lagi ya, bro ya.
That's why I don't like beach. If I go to the beach in the maybe in the sunset or in the sunrise is okay, but yeah, in my experience, I just go to beach like in the afternoon, so make me give me bad experience lah to go to beach.
Oh, okay.
Also for the water is apa itu namanya, lengket.
Apa tuh ya bahasa Inggrisnya lengket ya? All right. And what about, so is it even hotter than Bekasi?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I
For the
see.
Bekasi.
Okay,
Bekasi is
langsung.
better, but the air is worse. The air quality is worse. Yeah, the Bekasi is the pollution is very not good for health.
What is the causes of that? Is it because there are a lot of manufacturers there?
Yeah, it's just number one is manufacture, a lot of manufacture, and then the pollution from the transportation is very high.
I see. Okay, high number of transportation or vehicle.
Because a lot of truck, a lot of big transportation.
It's because they move the logistic and about distribution from the manufacturer to other
Yeah.
areas.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay, what about the coldest place, Bro Riza? What is the coldest place you've
Yeah,
ever
I think
visited?
with Irfan, yeah. I had to go Dieng.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just came to Dieng uh at night. Yeah, at night. Just arrived into Dieng and very cold.
Oh.
Yeah, so cold.
Mm.
I
Is
think
it freezing there? Membeku?
no, not freezing, but make me feel cold, and
Mm.
I think it's good for me. Cold
I
is
see.
better than hot.
Are you guys go together?
No,
No.
I just go with my friends.
Okay. Alright. Udah ya, udah semua. Okay, after this, I will send you to the breakout room as usual, abis ini. And this is the list of questions that you have to discuss with your friends. The first one, how do people in your country usually react to rainy season? How do people, bagaimana biasanya people, orang-orang in your country, di negaramu, usually, nah ini tadi ada ya, usually, biasanya, react to rainy weather, bereaksi ke cuaca hujan. And then, are there any local traditions or festival related to a season? Apakah ada any local tradition? Local tradition itu tradisi lokal or festival related yang berkaitan ke musim. Misal ada kalau musim panas ngapain, mungkin musim hujan atau mungkin gimana. Gitu. You can share about that. And then, what weather do people usually complain about where you live? Cuaca apa yang orang-orang tuh biasanya usually complain about where you live, di tempat di mana teman-teman tinggal. And how do school or offices usually respond to bad weather? Bagaimana biasanya sekolah-sekolah atau kantor-kantor merespon ke cuaca yang buruk? Misal tiba-tiba ada hujan lebat atau badai atau yang kayak gitu-gitu. Biasanya gimana responnya? And what season would you recommend for a tourist visiting your hometown? Apa musim yang direkomendasikan untuk turis-turis untuk mengunjungi hometownnya Rhineland? So this is the things that you will discuss about. We will have around 15 minutes in the breakout room, and you may go there right now. Okay, welcome back again to the main room, everyone. Lately I joined for some minutes in your breakout room, and I got this one as a feedback from your conversation, from your previous conversation. So, yang ini, bro and sis, untuk ini, itu bukan dibacanya bukan tourist ya, tapi tourist. Tourist. Jadi, O-nya itu tipis aja. Tourist. Untuk yang ini, tourism. Kalau yang ini adalah orangnya. Kalau yang ini artinya pariwisatanya. Tempatnya, gitu. Tourism, tourist. Gitu. And then ada selain kayak misal teman-teman mau bilang menikmati pemandangan, kita bisa pakai view. Tapi selain pakai view yang lebih advance, teman-teman juga bisa pakai scenery. Scenery. Ini artinya adalah pemandangan. Misal biasanya kan kita bilang enjoy the view gitu ya. Nah, sekarang bisa diganti enjoy the scenery. Scenery, pemandangan. Terus tadi ada Bro Albert bilang sightseeing. Kata Bro Coba kata Bro Bagus, oh bukan ini ya, bukan traveling ya katanya sightseeing. Itu sebenarnya artinya sama aja. Sightseeing itu kayak menikmati pemandangan, melihat-lihat gitu. Sightseeing. Menikmati pemandangan, sightseeing. Ini juga sama kalau hang around dia lebih ke berkeliling. Sama sih konteksnya jalan-jalan juga. Hang around the city, muter-muter kota gitu. And yang ini pronunciation-nya adalah sweaty. Sweaty. Berkeringat artinya. The summer make us sweaty. Kalau musim panas itu bikin kita berkeringat, sweaty. And if you say that you want to live in Europe, kalau misal teman-teman mau bilang, aku pengen suatu hari tinggal di Europe, itu bukan European, karena kalau European itu artinya orang-orang Eropa. Kalau Europe, nah ini baru tempatnya, di Eropa. Jadi kalau misal kita bilang, I want to live in European, jadi artinya aku pengen tinggal di orang-orang Eropa, kan nggak masuk ya artinya. Nah, kita bisa pakai Europe. Atau kalau misal pakai European boleh, tapi dikasih country belakangnya. I want to live in European country. Aku pengen tinggal di negara-negara Eropa, gitu, atau di negara Eropa. So gitu. That's all the feedback for today. After this, as usual, I have a role play between two people, which is Jake and Tom. Ada role play antara Jake and Tom. For the first, bro, kita kasih nama J and J. Wait. Sorry. Yang jadi Jake ini Bro Rizal. Wait. Yang jadi Tom, Bro Fenley. Start from Jake. Let's go. Lagi makan ya.
Ya disuapin anak nih. Sorry, Sis.
Ya nggak apa, telan dulu aja bro.
Okay. Man, it's been so hot lately. I feel like I'm melting before I even get to the office.
I stepped out this morning and the sun hit me like rain.
I miss the rainy season already. At least the air felt fresh, even if I had to carry an umbrella everywhere.
Yeah, same here. I actually like the rain. Give me an excuse to just chill at home with a coffee.
Exactly. And now it's just dry and sweaty all day. Even the air conditioner can't keep up.
You think it's gonna get hotter next month?
Yeah, probably. This feels like it's just the beginning. August is usually brutal, man.
Oh, I need a beach trip or a mountain aspect or sometime.
Let's plan something. Even a weekend getaway sounds like heaven right now.
Deal, deal. Let's survive this hit first, then escape before we melt for real.
I'm serious, man. One more week of this and I'm booking something.
I'll hold you to that. Just don't drag me into some jungle hike in this water.
No worry. Cold breeze and ice drink only. I promise. Okay.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Bro Rizal and Bro Fendi. Next is for Bro Albert and Bro Bagus. Bro Albert become Jake and Bro Bagus will be Tom. Let's start.
Okay. Man, it has been so hot lately. I feel like I'm melting before I even get to the office.
I stepped out this morning and the sun hit me like brick.
I miss the rainy session already. At the last, the air feel fresh even if I had to carry an umbrella everywhere.
Yeah, Sam here. I actually like the rain. Gives me an excuse to just chill at home with coffee.
Exactly. And now it is just dry and sweetly all day. Even the AC cannot keep up.
You think it's not? You think it's gonna get hotter next month?
Probably just feel like it is just the beginnings. August is usually brutally.
Oh, I need beach. It's trip or mountain escape or something.
Let's plan some. Let's plan something. Even a weekend getaway sound like even right now.
Deal. Let's survive this heat breeze, then escape before we melt for real.
I'm seriously, man. One more week of this and I'm booking something.
Oh, I heard you to that. Just that, just don't drag me into some jungle hick in the weather.
No worries. Cold breeze and ice drink only. I promise.
Okay, that's
Okay.
good. Thank you, Bro Albert and Bro Bagus. So, ada lagi nggak ya bawahnya? Oh, tidak ada. Okay, next the last one for Bro Ilhan and Bro Indra. Bro Ilhan yang jadi Jake and Bro Indra yang jadi Tom.
Okay. Man, it's been so hot lately. I feel like I'm melting before I even get to the office.
I stepped out this morning and the sun hit me like a brick.
Yeah, I miss the rainy season already. At least the air feels fresh, even I have to carry an umbrella everywhere.
Yeah, Sam here. I actually like the rain. Gives me an excuse to just chill at home with a coffee.
Yeah, exactly. And now it's just dry and sweaty all day. Even the AC can keep up.
You think it's gonna get hotter next month?
Yeah, probably this feel like it's just the beginning, man. August is usually brutal.
Ugh, I need a beach trip or a mountain escape or something.
Yeah, let's plan something. Even a weekend getaway sounds like heaven right now.
Deal. Let's survive this heat first, then escape before we melt for real.
Yeah, I'm serious, man. One more week of this and I'm booking something.
I'll hold you that. Just don't drag me into some jungle hikes in this weather.
No worries, man. Cold breeze and ice drinks only, I promise.
Okay, thank you, Bro Ilhan and Bro Indra.
You're
Alright,
welcome.
yeah. From this conversation, dari conversation yang ini, is there any vocabularies that you don't know or you want to ask about? Dari
Uh,
kata-kata di sini?
hit me like a brick. What does
Oh,
that mean, Miss?
oke. Hit me like a brick itu sama aja kayak mataharinya membakar kulit gitu. Brick itu batu bata, guys. Jadi kayak mataharinya tuh menimpa kulit kayak kita dilempar batu bata. Artinya kayak kebakar banget. Itu idiom. Gitu, Pak Ilhan. Alright, the other yang lain?
Itu AC itu apa?
AC, ini AC.
AC benar itu. Air
Iya,
condition.
air conditioner. Jadi even the AC can keep up itu kayak AC-nya udah nggak bisa digedein lagi gitu. Karena udah temperature-nya udah paling nggak bisa nggak kerasa lah intinya AC-nya. Karena lagi panas banget.
Sounds like heaven.
Sounds like heaven. Nah, ini. Ini kan dia bilang kayak even a weekend getaway. Weekend getaway itu kayak liburan singkat di akhir pekan itu kayak berasa surga gitu. Kayak sesuatu yang sangat menyenangkan. Oke, ada lagi.
Don't drag me itu jangan mengajakku, sis. Ya.
Betul, betul. Dan drag me. Jangan ngajak, tapi mengajaknya lebih ke maksa gitu loh, bro.
Hmm.
Don't drag me. Jangan bawa aku ke some jungle hike in this weather. Oke, ada lagi? Bro Bagus gimana?
Sis.
Oke, dari Bro Bagus ada ya?
Kenapa? Why?
Ada yang mau ditanyakan dari vocab-vocabnya? Mungkin yang kayak ini artinya apa ya gitu.
Yang ini sih yang tadi yang just don't drag udah, cuman yang ini yang escape before we melt for real. Escape
Mana
ini
ya?
maksudnya gimana? Yang Tom.
Oh, ini.
Deal that yes.
Oke. Alright, ini tuh kan mereka lagi ngomongin ini ya, Bro Bagus kayak kepanasan banget gitu. Nah, mereka itu pengen keluar dulu nih dari keadaan ini sebelum kita benar-benar melt itu kayak mencair. Karena kan panas banget tuh. Jadi pengen pergi dulu deh sebelum kita benar-benar kepanasan banget di sini. Gitu. Escape itu dia pergi sejenak. Bisa diartiin kayak gitu.
Escape before we melt. Jadi pergi sejenak.
Iya, betul. Keluar sebentar gitu, pergi sejenak. Ini ada lagi?
Oke.
Alright. Kalau Bro Fenly gimana?
Kalau no worries ini jangan khawatir atau enggak?
Oh, ini yang terakhir ya.
No worries.
Ya, ini artinya betul. No worries, jangan khawatir.
Beda sama don't worry. Sama.
Gimana?
Beda sama don't worry.
Oh iya, sama-sama artinya. Don't worry,
Sama.
itu juga. Sama artinya. Jangan khawatir. Tapi ini guys, artinya sama. Kita keluar bahasan dulu. No worries kalau misal ada yang bilang, misal ada yang bilang thank you gitu ya ke teman-teman, selain kita jawab you're welcome. You're welcome. Teman-teman juga bisa jawab kayak gini. No worries. Ini juga boleh. Karena kan kita kalau misal ada yang bilang thank you itu kayak otomatis jawabnya you're welcome. Gitu. Nah, selain you're welcome, teman-teman juga bisa pakai no worries, atau kalau nggak anytime, atau apa lagi ya? Ini, don't mention it. Don't mention it. Itu juga nggak apa-apa. Terus ada lagi, my pleasure. Nah, itu semuanya artinya sama-sama. Atau respon-respon kalau misal ada yang bilang thank you ke teman-teman. Bisa you're welcome, no worries, anytime, dan mention it for my pleasure. Okay. That's all guys for today. Ada lagi yang mau ditanyain? Masih ada about 5 menit. Kalau tidak ada. Gimana Bro Riza?
Ini apa? Vocab ya namanya kalau
Ya, vocabulary.
vocabnya enggak ini sih, enggak ini apa namanya? Enggak segampang kemarin gitu.
Oh
Menurutku sih.
ini, nggak segampang kemarin.
Heeh.
Ya, lebih advance ya Bro ya.
Iya, kayaknya ya, atau perasaan aja ya.
Nah, iya benar kok, benar.
Karena
Karena
banyak
di sini
idiom kali ya.
iya ada idiom-idiom yang dipakai. Jadi kalau idiom kan kita artikan per kata sama satu kesatuan idiom kan pasti artinya beda lagi. Kalau di bahasa Indonesia tuh idiom tuh apa ya? Istilah kali ya. Iya istilah mungkin ya. Begitu. Kayak idiom itu satu kata yang kalau misal digabungin sama kata lain dia jadi artinya udah beda lagi. Gitu. Mm-mm. Sama di bahasa Inggris itu vocabulary itu ada tingkatan-tingkatannya. Kalau English ada mulai dari A1, A2, 1, 2, C1, C2. Nah ini ada tingkatan-tingkatan vocabulary. Biasanya kalau yang starter baru belajar itu di sini levelnya A1, A2. Itu yang paling basic. Tuh.
We at Miss.
Terus,
Where we at?
It's actually in my opinion some of you beberapa teman-teman sudah ada di level ini. Ya, mungkin di sekitaran sini. Nanti ini deh apa ya? Di sana ada tools yang untuk ngecek level bahasa Inggrisnya teman-teman ada di berapa. Nanti abis ini di sana kirim linknya, teman-teman tes sendiri pakai HP gitu ya. Nanti boleh dikirim screenshotnya ke grup. Nah,
Interesting.
ya, gitu ya. Biar minum. Nah, cari dulu. Tenggelam soalnya. Bisa tes di situ. Nah, di sana kirim linknya ke grup. Nanti teman-teman tes mandiri aja. Habis itu dikirim hasilnya ke grup. Biar kita tahu, oh ternyata level bahasa Inggris itu ada di sini. It won't take too long. Kayaknya nggak terlalu lama. Mungkin sekitar beberapa menit ya. Agak lupa. Ada beberapa pertanyaan sih yang teman-teman harus jawab. Ada juga nanti membaca satu teks. Ada yang menjawab pertanyaan. Beda-beda.
Okay. I just open the link.
Oke, Is it work? Kayaknya harus register dulu pakai akun Google. Biasa lah kayak website gitu ya.
Okay. Yeah,
Nanti abis ini.
I will try. And then
Yeah.
they will give result like this, sis. A1, A2. Oh.
Nanti resultnya seperti itu. Ini contohnya, biar menitnya masih ada ya.
Okay.
Kenapa? Nggak apa, bro. Kenapa,
This
bro? Tidak.
is idiom usually used by native speaker.
Yes, it is in a casual conversation. And even if you want to take IELTS test for speaking, especially for general training, it's necessary for you to use idiom.
Mm.
Nah, ini nanti contohnya kayak gini hasilnya.
Wow.
Nanti dikirim screenshotnya ya guys ya. Oke, maybe that's all for today. Itu aja buat hari ini. Ditunggu hasilnya. Kalau mau tesnya besok pagi, mungkin kalau sekarang udah pusing-pusing gitu juga nggak apa-apa. Besok pagi kan lebih fresh ya, baru bangun tidur gitu kan. Nggak apa-apa. Pokoknya sebelum kelas besok. Oh, kita ada kelas lagi kapan ya? Rabu ya? Ayo
Oh,
gitu deh.
sis.
Rabu. Oke. Sebelum kelas pertemuan hari Rabu, Tana tunggu tesnya. Thank you
Okay.
so much. Yeah, thank you so much everyone for coming today. We will meet again on Wednesday. So see you. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
sis.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sis. Thank you.